Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get the FR Legends mod. So as you can see, we got unlimited money right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super weird, bro. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. So it has like modded apps and stuff. So once we're on the site, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in FR Legends. And as you can see, it says FR Legends mod, right? So download it and you're good to go. Now bear in mind, before you actually get the FR Legends mod, you are going to have to do a verification where you have to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. So these are from the App Store, so let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to wait for it to load. Alright, so I already did this whole process because I'm not really trying to make videos about things I haven't done, but it is so simple to do. So as you can see, it says like, please install 2 apps to install the mod. So you just press on the app, it brings you to the App Store, and you download the app. Now this one's a dumb one. It's called Match to Earn, which means you have to search an app, but most of them it just redirects you to the App Store. You download it, follow instructions, and you're done. So I'm going to see you guys later, but as you can see, I have the FR Legends Unlimited Money mod for 2025. So I'm going to see you guys later, but subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. And yeah, if you're poor in FR Legends, I don't blame you because it's a mobile game with microtransactions. But if you guys want to get rich, this is the best way to do it. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get an FR Legends mod. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is so crazy, guys, and it's updated and everything. So yeah, so cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you guys like my video, drop it down below in the comments, and peace out.